A lady Susan. Her husband was the founder of the Flying Doctors here in East Africa. And her mission was, or is still, to avail job opportunities to the needy or to the poor members of Kenyan society. We are 340 in total, but 3/4 of the 340 is women single mothers. And 340 we make beads, and that was a ceramic bead, ceramic. Yes, they are made out of clay, but very, very special clay, because this clay is only harvested at the bottom of Mount Kenya.
Oh.
It took us 15 years to find this clay in our country, because before we were buying it from the UK and South Africa. And now 3/4 of the total beads we develop is to export. We develop these beads to the US, to Australia, to Canada. It is international. But we don't sell any to Dubai or India. This one is gotten from Mount Kenya.
Mount Kenya, oh.
Very, very special clay. This is the first color.
First color. Mm.
But the moment you burn it in the oven, this color tends to change to white.
White.
And then it makes it easy for us to paint.
Oh.
This fires at very high temperatures, 1000 degrees Celsius, which makes it very strong.
Okay.
Check that even if you drop it there, it will not break.
Break.
And this is how we process it. Now this is how we make them with Mama Elizabeth. One of the ladies who started the company, she has been here since 1975. Before we were born.
1963.
You 1960?
55 years old.
63?
1963,
No, 65. This is how they make the beads. You can see how they're making them. And the color changes to this after the oven. That's before the oven, and then it is like this after the oven. All these different shapes.
I can say Ubuntu.
Ubuntu. Yes. They say Ubuntu.
I learned from there.
Ubuntu.
Yeah.
What is Ubuntu? Ubuntu. Can you read that? You can't tell me that you're there. What do you want? No, I'm not here. I'm not here. That's how you size it.
Yeah. പ്രത്യേകപരമായിട്ട് സോഫ്റ്റ് ക്ലേ ആക്കുകയാണ്.
The small onions. It's by hand.
Still it's soft or?
This is soft, that is hard. That is this soft.
Ah.
This
is soft.
Then here we have the. And here we make this. This you do in India.
Ah, yeah, pots.
And that's the color change.
Ah.
It's after baking.
It's dry, it's white.
So taking porridge, how do you call it in India? Porridge. In Indian language, how do you call
Kudam.
it? Bram. Kudam.
Kudam.
Kudam. Kudam. It's for good. Kudam.
No,
Uji.
porridge means kanyi.
Kanyi. Kanyi.
Ah, for eating. Rice,
kanyi.
rice.
Kanyi.
Made of rice.
Yes, kanyi.
Kanyi.
Okay, let's go see how we paint it. Come. Be careful. Kanyi. This is watercolor. We sell here America. We sell in all these countries.
Customers.
America, Netherlands, North. This is 730 necklaces. 2 months to finish the order.
Oh.
2 months. Yes. Now after she makes like this, she buys it. Come and see.
Ah, the colors.
This is after burning it. That's how you change it.
Different colors.
Hakuna shida.
Oh, orange color. Ah.
Hadi yake tingere. Sio kelia.
Oh.
The left is like this.
What is this? Same?
This here.
അതിങ്ങനെ അതിന്റെ മുകളിൽ
Spaces.
Metal.
അതിങ്ങനെ ഒരു
The color will change? Color? After washing, color? എന്തിനടുത്ത് നിങ്ങളെടുത്തോ എടുത്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. This also not breakable?
It is, but you can put in a microwave. If you drop it, it will break.
Ah, not
You
like
can put in a microwave.
factory. Oof, colors. ഇതെല്ലാം തരത്തിലുള്ള
And wine. This is the color before baking and color after baking. Change. This color here, you bake it, it will be like this.
this like this.
And the big oven for baking.
Full.
That's where they bake. They bake for 10 hours, then they need 3 days to cool down.
10 hours.
Yes, and then 3 days.
കസൂരി ബേഡ്സ് ഫാക്ടറിയാണ്. ഇവിടെയാണ് നേരത്തെ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇത്ര നേരം കണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ. Swahili for small and beautiful. അങ്ങനെ ഇന്നത്തെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ സ്ഥലം കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു നെയ്റോബിയിൽ. ബീഡ് ഫാക്ടറിയിലെ ഫൈനൽ നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഫൈനൽ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റാണ് ഇവിടെ കാണുന്നത്. മുഴുവനും മുത്തുമയമാണ്. ഇത് മനോഹരമായിട്ടതെല്ലാം ഫൈനൽ സ്റ്റേജ്.